Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be continuing our CAT 2017 slot 2 paper, and this is the third video in the series. And if you have not watched the previous two videos from CAT 2017 slot 2, I will share the link of those videos in the description of this video. Kindly go back and watch them. And also if you have not watched the slot 1 QA 2017, so you can watch that as well. I will share the link of the playlist in the description. So let's start the first question. The points 2, 5 and 6, 3 are two endpoints of a diagonal of a rectangle. Okay. The other diagonal has the equation y equal to 3x plus c. Then what is the value of c? Okay guys. So this is a very simple question. I will draw a rectangle. Okay. In geometry it's always beneficial to draw the diagram because that helps a lot. Let's say the vertices of the rectangle A, B, C and D. We are told that one of the diagonals, the endpoints are 2, 5 and 6, 3. So you can take any of the vertices as 2, 5. Okay, and accordingly the 6, 3 can be assigned, right? If I would have taken 2, 5 here in B, then 6, 3 will be in D. Okay, it does not matter. Okay, the order, the positioning of the point does not matter. In the other equation, other diagonal has the equation y equal to 3x plus c. So this is the other diagonal, right guys? This is the other diagonal. All right. Now guys, you need to know one property of rectangle. What is that property? The property is that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. That means if this point is P, P is the midpoint. P will be the midpoint. Midpoint of the diagonals. Okay, this is a property of rectangle that the diagonals intersect each other or bisect each other. Okay, so what will be P? P will be 6 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 3 by 2. So this will become 4 comma 4. Now guys, what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is given as y equal to 3x plus c. But please remember the point P lies on this line. Okay, point P lies on this line. That means the coordinates of P will satisfy this equation. So I will replace y and x by 4 and 4. From here c will come out as -8. A very simple question guys. So the correct answer will be option D. Let's move on to the second question. ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with center O. If angle COD is 120 degrees and angle BAC is 30 degrees, then what is the value of angle BCD? Alright guys, so let me draw a circle first. So AB, C, D, right? This is the quadrilateral which is inscribed in this circle. Let's say the center is O. Alright, we are told that angle COD is 120 degree. So what will be the angle? This angle is COD, right? This angle is COD. What is this angle? This angle is 120 degree. And angle BCD, so we have to find angle BCD. That means this entire angle. And BAC is given. So BAC, this is B, this is A. I will join C. All right. Now focus on chord DC. Focus on this chord. This chord is subtending an angle of 120 degrees at the center, right? Chord DC is subtending an angle of 120 degrees at the center, right? Chord DC, this is the chord DC, right? Chord DC is subtending an angle of 120 degrees at the center of the circle. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 60 degrees, right? Properties of circle, that is the same chord, it will subtend an angle twice at the center, okay, provided that angles rise in the same segment. Okay, we are given this angle is 30, right? Angle BAC, this angle is 30 degree. We have found out this angle is 60 degree. So angle A is 90 degree. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So what is the property of a cyclic quadrilateral? That in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles, of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So what is angle C? Angle C is equal to 90 degree, right? BAD, so BCD, my bad, BCD is angle C. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 90. We have to enter the type, right? We have to type the answer as 90 because this was a type in the answer. So this is a simple question. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we have a rectangle and some of the three sides. All right, so some of the three, so let me first draw the rectangle. This is a rectangle, guys, and we are told that, let's say this is the breadth of the rectangle, this is the length, so this will also be the length, this will be the breadth. We are told that three sides, like, so it can be 2b plus l equal to 400, not 400, 300, right? 300, or I can have 2l plus b equal to 300, right? Because we are told that three sides of a rectangle. Okay, now which three sides I don't know. Okay, so guys, please forgive me for this. This will be 400, this will be 400, right? Now I need to maximize the area. What is the area? Area of a rectangle is given as length into breadth. Then the area of the park is maximum and the length is. So when the area is maximum, what will be the length? That is what the question is asking. Okay, I will repeat again. Okay, I have to maximize the area, and when the area is maximum, what will be the length of the rectangle? All right. Okay, guys. Let's say what will be the area in this case. In this case, the area will be length into breadth. Okay. So length can be written as 400 minus 2 times of b into 2b, right? Using this equation. What is L? L is 400 minus 2b, or in this case, area will be length into breadth as well. But what is b? B is 400 minus 2L. Alright, guys. So I can take 2 common, right? 2b. This is not 2b. My bad. This will be b only, right? If I take 2 common, I will have 200 minus b into b. Here I will have 2L, 200 minus L. Now guys, if you look at this term, these two terms, okay, 2 is a constant, so it won't bother me. If you look at both of these terms, the summation of these terms will give me a constant, which is 200, right? 200 minus b plus b is giving me 200 again. 200 minus L plus L is again giving me 200. That means this is a constant, right? Summation of both the two terms are constant. Now we are multiplying those two terms. So the maximum will occur when these two terms are equal to each other. 200 minus L equal to L. From here I will have B equal to 100. From here I will have L equal to 100. If B is 100, what will be L? L is 200. If L equal to 100, what is B? B is 200. Any mistake I am making here, guys? L is your 100, right? L is 100. So if L is 100, B is 200. If B is, yeah, same thing. All right, guys. So what is the area? Area plus B. But you have to remember, guys, one thing here. L is greater than, length is greater than the breadth, right? Length is greater than the breadth. Okay, so this case is not possible. So what will be the area? Area is 200 into 100. So this will give me 20,000. But I need the area of the park is maximum. The length is okay. I have to find the length, right? So the length will be 200. 200 guys. Answer will be 200. Okay guys. Pretty easy question. Let's move on to the fourth question. Let P be an interior point of a right angle isosceles triangle. So I have a right angle triangle, and this is an isosceles triangle as well. That means the legs of the right angle are equal to each other. This and these are equal. That means this angle is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. And let's say okay, AB is the hypotenuse. AB is the hypotenuse. This is the C. P is a point, interior point. Okay, any point. Let's say this is P. If the perpendicular distance of P from each of the sides AB, BC, CC, okay, we got it. This is the perpendicular side distance, this is also the perpendicular distance, and this is also the perpendicular distance. All these distances as per the question is same. Okay, in the diagram it might not look equal, but as per the question the distance is same. Okay guys, then what is the area of the triangle? Here you have to understand one thing guys. This term perpendicular distance, this phrase perpendicular distance of P from each of the sides, what is this basically? This is basically the in radius guys. In radius, the in radius is equidistant from the three sides of a triangle guys. In radius is equidistant from the three sides of a triangle. Okay, that means if I draw a circle like this will pass from these 3 points. Okay, and the sides of the triangle will be tangential. That is why this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is the in radius, and the in radius is given as 4 root 2 minus 1 centimeters. Okay, so I need to find the area. Now this is an isosceles triangle. I can say this is let's say the length is x units. This is also x, so this will be x root 2, right? This will be x root 2 units. So what is the area? Area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height, x square by 2. And what is the relation between the in radius and the uh, hypotenuse, or you can say the sides of a triangle? So in radius, the in radius of a right angle triangle is given as guys r is equal to s minus h, where s is the semi perimeter. Okay, the in radius, remember guys, this is the in radius of a right angle triangle. This is s semi perimeter. That means half of the perimeter. This is the hypotenuse. So what is s? I can say x plus root 2x by 2 minus x root 2. This will become as 2x plus root 2x minus 2 root 2x by 2. This will become 2x minus root 2x by 2. This is the radius, and the radius is already given to us 4, right? So 4 times of root 2 minus 1 will be equal to, if I take I can take the root 2 common, x common, root 2 minus 1 by 2. Root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 will get cancelled. What is x? X is equal to 8 by root 2. So what will be x square? X square will be 8 square, 64. 64 by 2 is 32. 32 by 2 is 16, right? 32 by 2 is 16. So the correct answer will be option. It's a type in the answer. So the correct answer will be 16, guys. Okay. And not so difficult, guys. Easy question only, in my opinion. Let's move on to the fifth question. If the product of three consecutive positive integers That means natural numbers is this much, then the sum of the squares of these integers. Okay, so I have a positive integer n, so n minus 1 into n into n plus 1 I can write, where n minus 1 belongs to natural number. Okay, if n minus 1 belongs to natural number, automatically n and n plus 1 will belong to natural number. This is given as 156,000, right? At first it might look like a quadratic equation, and indeed this is a quadratic equation which you can solve by trial and error method, but a better way to solve this question is first try to factorize this, prime factorize. Okay, so this can be written as your 100, right? 100 into 56, no 100 into 156, my bad, no issues. So I can write this as is it divisible by 3? 3, yes, it's divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 6. So can I write this as, let's say, 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 2 600. 52 is basically your 2 into 26, 2 into 26 00. 26 can be written as 13 into 2 and 200. This can be written as 2 into 100, right? 100 can be written as 2 into 50. 50 can be written as 2 into 25, right? If I look at this, yes guys, see guys, very interesting. No need to further do it. 13 and 2, multiply 13 and 2, what do you get? 26. I have a 25, so let's say 25. So what is left? What are left? 2 is left. 1 2 2 3. So 2 cube into 3, 2 cube into 3. What is 2 cube into 3? 8 into 3 is 24. See, these are the consecutive positive integers. So I can write 24 into 25 into 26. So n is 25. I need to find the sum of the squares of these integers, sum of the squares. So I need to find 24 square plus 25 square plus 26 square. If you don't know the square, you can use the online screen calculator. So 24 square is 576, 25 square is 625, 26 square is 676. So if I look at the unit digit, 6 plus 6 12 plus 17, last digit would be 17. So obviously option B and option C are eliminated. We'll have 7 here, right? So 17, 9 10 10 7 double 7, all right, in 1, so 1 8. The correct answer will be option D, guys. Okay, it's not a difficult one if you can factorize this. Okay guys, so how did I observe, right? It might ask how did this came to my mind, right? How did this come to my mind? So when I got 25, now guys, when I got 25, I checked if I can get something around it. Okay, because when I was doing the prime factorization, I could see that 13 into 2 is 13 into 2 is 26, and I know that I have 25. So I got two positive integers consecutive. Okay, then I tried, and then I tried to multiply the remaining numbers and checked if I am getting 27 or 24. Okay, and then I could see that I am getting 24. Okay, so not a difficult one, guys, easy question only. Let's move on to the next question. If x is a real number, okay, that means x belongs to R such that log base 3. Okay, this is a typing mistake, guys. This will be log 5 base 3 equal to log x plus 2 base 5. All right, guys, then which of the following is true? That means I have to find the range of x. All right, guys, I have to find the range of x. All right, let's see what can do. Obviously x plus 2 will be greater than 0, x greater than minus 2. This is definitely true. All right, can we do here, guys? Just let me think. So what? So guys, log 3 base 3 to the base 3 is 1, right? And log 9 to the base 3 is 2, right? And that means 1 less than log 5 to the base 3 less than 2. I can write like this, right? And can write 1 less than, what is this? This can be written as log 5 log x plus 2 to the base 5, right? This can be written as 5 less than log of x, not log, my bad. 5 less than x plus 2, 5 less than x plus 2 less than 25. Okay guys, so from here 3 is less than x and x is less than 23. So option D, guys. Yeah, this was the main part, guys. This was the important, guys, right? And see, guys, from here I cannot find an exact value of x, right? From here I can say x equal to 5 to the power log 5 base 3. Now I don't know what is the value of this, right, guys? I don't know this value. From here I'll get x equal to 5 to the power of log minus 2, but I don't know this value. Okay, and in the option also I have only ranges. So this thing strike my mind. And how will the similar things would strike your mind? By practice, guys. Okay guys, so easy question again. Let's move on to the last question for today. F of x is again there is a typing mistake. F of x equal to x square, guys. G of x equal to 2x, yeah, 2x for all x belonging to real number. Then the value of at x equal to 1. This is a very direct question, guys. This is nothing here, just calculation only. So I have x equal to 1. So what I need to find? I need to find f g of x, and then I have f here and another plus g of f of x. Okay, this f is the primary one, right? F of g of x, g of f of x is this one, g of this thing. Yeah. Now guys, this can be written as, what is g of, this can be written as g of 1 plus g of f of 1. I can write like this. What is g of 1? G of 1 is 2x, so it will be 2. So f of 2 plus g of f of 1. 1 square is 1. Again f of 2. F of 2 is 4. G of 1. G of 1 is 2. 6. F of 6. What is f of 6? 36. Options here. Very easy question, guys. This very easy question. This should not be any trouble to you guys. This is a very easy question, guys. I hope you were able to solve all the questions, guys, and I hope my solution made it easier for you guys to understand the question. So, and I will upload the remaining questions from CAT 2017 QA paper slot 2 in my upcoming videos. So please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such previous year question solutions, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.